Hey, what's up, guys? How y'all doing today? Well, baby, if you were Diddy and UMG, baby, you have just suffered a huge crushing blow, baby. The feds are 2 seconds off of Diddy and UMG's. However, Tyrone Blackburn seems to have gotten there first. As much as UMG and Diddy and his parade of lawyers tried to misconstrue, tried to throw dirt on their name, tried to do everything. It looks like Tyrone Blackburn, Little Rod's attorney, and also more importantly, Liza Garner's attorney is coming out swinging, y'all. UMG has lost their motion to dismiss Liza Gardner's case. Now, if you guys don't know, you know, they tried to shame Tyrone Blackburn a few months back. Liza Gardner, if you guys don't know, said that she was a tender young Roni. And baby, when I say tender young Roni, the new lawsuit that was filed in Jersey, there's a whole story behind that. Let me tell you about it, right? Before we get to the win. She literally looked like DJ Tanner from Full House. Ain't no way Diddy or Aaron Hall thought for any second that she was like, you might be young, but you ready. Oh no, 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 no. It literally looked like whatever. Anyway, in the lawsuit, I did a whole live about it if you want the legal papers. In the lawsuit, and there's a picture she submitted, she alleges that MCA, also Universal Music Group, because they're all subsidiaries of each other, literally had industry parties where not only did they allow underage people to come, they fed them alcohol, they fed them whatever, they put them in cars and they took them over the bridge to the apartments in Jersey. Now, why were these apartments so important? Because these apartments were apartments that MCA and UMG demanded that their artists live in. They didn't want them in a hood, didn't want them doing anything. But by doing that, they accepted specific liability. Okay. Back then, there wasn't any Uber. So they're saying that you guys paid for the kids to come, for them to drink, to put them in cabs, to put them in black cars, to bring them over. And they said that basically they passed them out or encouraged them to be kind of like candy or party favors that they use to keep their artists compliant, pay them pennies. But again, they wanted the lifestyle. They wanted the lifestyle, didn't they? Well, listen, when it first happened, they were trying to make Little Rod's attorney, Liza Gardner's attorney. He's an attorney for everyone, seem like a hack. Oh, this is improper venue. Get out of here. And a lot of people literally sucked their teeth and rolled their eyes. Oh, see, he got laughed out of court. Attorney Blackburn said, all right, you want to play? I didn't get laughed out of court. I took it out of New York State because it wasn't proper venue. Because Liza Gardner was reminded, again, this was 30, 40 years ago. Well, okay, fine, 20 years ago, was reminded that what happened because it seemed like Diddy's lawyers and UMG and stuff were making an argument that like, this didn't happen in New York. This didn't happen. This didn't happen. This is all fraudulent. And Tyrone Blackburn said, You're right. It didn't happen in New York. It actually happened in Jersey. You know what? Let me move this to the proper venue because that's where the assault took place. And as it happens, Jersey has better laws and more favorable laws for what happens. They have a 30 or 33-year look back window, which far exceeds New York State's look back window for something like that happening. Now, they ran to court with Tyrone Blackburn, talking and barking the whole way. Don't you know that's not legal? We getting this thrown out. And as a matter of fact, we want sanctions against you. You're this, you're that. Well, guess what? The judge issued an order, and the judge had the nerve to, well, not even the nerve, the gumption, the audacity, the pure unlitigated gall, right? To actually say UMG, and this is Lucian Grange UMG, you lost your motion to dismiss Liza Gardner's case in New York. The judge has ruled in, I'm sorry, your motion to dismiss, the judge has ruled in his favor. Now they are stuck litigating the case in New Jersey. Pursuant to CPLR 3217B, where defendants cannot demonstrate prejudice to a substantial right, it is within the trial court's discretion to allow plaintiff to discontinue the action without prejudice. Here at the pre-answer motion stage of litigation, discontinuance of the action would not prejudice a substantial right of the moving defendants. Accordingly, the plaintiff's cross motion is granted and the matter is discontinued without prejudice to be bought in New Jersey. And it is further ordered that UMG's motion to dismiss is denied. Y'all, this is a stunning victory and a crushing defeat for UMG, for Diddy, and for everything that happens. And this is a win for anybody that chooses to bring grounds around this man. Now, I will say this, right? I will say this. Everybody literally wants to talk about Diddy and these lawsuits, but I find it very, very odd that UMG has gone through all these hoops to prove they're not involved. When at the end of the day, how are these artists getting this money? How was Diddy getting this money? If there's all these alleged record executives and all these alleged people, now again, UMG says they are innocent, Diddy says they're innocent. Aaron Hall, I don't know what that psycho gremlin's doing. He's so ugh. Is he gonna say he's innocent, or he gonna be like, "I did it, took that puppy and did it"? He always sounds like do another interview on Vlad TV. I really don't know what he's gonna say. I do know that, interestingly enough, it seems like the chips are falling where they need to be. This is the first civil case that has moved forward. I do not believe they have answered Little Rod. They tried to get Liza Gardner's dismissed in New York with prejudice, so it couldn't be brought up in New Jersey. The judge denied that. It is now moving forward, and UMG cannot get out of this case unless they can prove an MCA that the money was coming from somewhere other than them, and they were not helping bring tender young Ronies to these artists in Jersey. Again, this is just the beginning. This has nothing to do with Diddy's criminal. The criminal looks like it is, well, the investigation's proceeding. We're waiting for charges to be brought forward. But for anybody that tried to say that Tyrone Blackburn writes salacious lawsuits, does this, does that, this and the third, he has won his first major victory against UMG, against MCA, and ultimately against Diddy, Aaron Hall, and all these little monsters that, according to the lawsuit, have been preying on people with the help of the record companies being complicit and looking the other way. Now, what's next for this? Well, I mean, I'm sure Gloria Allred said that she doing a Kendrick Lamar. She got 5+5 ready to go. Tyrone Blackburn is probably adding new clients as we speak. Douglas Wigmore is jumping back in the fray. And at the end of the day, baby, I don't know. The twins better hurry up and enroll in whatever college they can, because baby, it don't look like Diddy's money is going to be around for much longer. Y'all listen. Let me know what you think in the comments. This is a huge victory. I will be going live tomorrow to get into some more stuff, but y'all listen. Y'all, Diddy's done too much, too many, and baby, those skeletons are falling out of the closet. Anyway, you guys, let me know what you think in the comments. I'll talk to you later. Bye.